Hello, today we will start with 10th question from exercise first D. So we were discussing exercise first D. We will start with 10th question. So 10th question, a train covered 901 4 by 5 kilometer. So this is the distance covered by the train. A train covered this much distance at the speed of 125 1 by 4 kilometer per hour. So a train covered this much distance at the speed of 125 1 by 4 kilometer per hour. So distance is provided, speed of the train is provided. Now what you have to find the time taken in covering the distance. So what time has been taken by the train to cover this much distance when it is moving with a speed of 125 1 by 4 kilometer per hour. So we have to calculate the time. So first we will write what is being given in question. So distance covered by train equal to 901 4 upon 5 kilometer. So this is the distance covered. And the speed of train equal to 125 1 by 4 kilometer per hour. So distance is provided, speed is provided, and time taken we have to calculate. Now see here, distance is provided, it is in kilometer, the unit is in kilometer. Speed kilometer per hour. So kilometer, here kilometer per hour. So time we will get in hour. Now we can convert them in improper fraction. It will be 5 into 901, 4505 plus 4, 4509 upon 5 kilometer. And this will be 500 1 upon 4 kilometer per hour. Now as we know, speed equal to distance upon time. So time will be equal to distance upon speed, or we can say time equal to distance divided by speed. So time equal to distance is 54509 divided by 5, and this is divided by, this is kilometer, divided by 501 upon 4 kilometer per hour. Now multiplication is the inverse of division. So 4509 upon 5 kilometer into, we will take the reciprocal, 4 upon 501. Kilometer per hour will become hour upon kilometer. Now kilometer get cancelled, and this as well get cancelled. 501 1 0 5, and it is 90. So it comes out to be 9 into 4 36 upon 5 hour is remaining, and it can be written as 7 1 upon 5 hour. So time taken by the train, the time taken to cover this much distance, time taken equal to 7 1 upon 5 hour. 11th question. A wire of length 42 1 by 2 meter is cut into 34 pieces of equal length. So we have a wire of length this much meters, and it is cut into 34 pieces. We are cutting this wire of equal length. Find the length of each piece. We have to find the length of each piece. So what is being given? Length of the wire is given, and it is cut into 34 equal pieces. Now we have to find the length of each piece. So for example, this is the length of the wire. This is the length of the wire. Now it is cut into 34 equal parts. 34 equal parts. So total length is 42 1 by 2 meters, and it is cut into 34 pieces. Now, so length of the wire given equal to 42 1 by 2 meters. In proper fraction it will be 85 upon 2 meter. Now it is cut into 34 pieces of equal length. So length of 34 pieces will be 85 upon 2 meters. So length of 34 pieces will be 85 upon 2 pieces. So length of one piece will be 85 upon 2 divided by 34. So length of each piece equal to 85 divided by 2 meters divided by 34. So we have the wire of length 42 1 by 2 meters, and it is cut into 34 pieces. Length of 34 pieces is 85 upon 2 meters. So length of one piece or each piece will be 85 upon 2 meters divided by 34. So this comes out to be 85 divided by 2 into 1 upon 34, and unit will be meter. Now 17 2 ja 17 5 ja, it will be 5 upon 4 meter, and it will be 1 upon 4 meter. So length of each piece will be 1 upon 4 meters, and we multiply this with 34, we will get 85 upon 2 meter, that is 42 1 by 2 meters. So length of each piece will be 1 by 4 meters. Now we discuss 12th one. So in 12th, if 2/3 of a rational number, 2/3 of a rational number, of means multiply, 2/3 of a rational number exceeds its 3/5, exceeds is more than the 3/5 of the number by this one. So how will you write? Let the rational number be x, let the rational number be x. It is x we have taken, the rational number. Now 2/3 of a rational number, 2/3 of x. So 2/3 of x here means multiply 2 by 3 of x. 2/3 of rational number exceeds its 3/5, exceeds its 3/5, that is 3/5 of x. So we have 2 by 3 of x, 3 by 5 of x. So if 2/3 of a rational number, 2/3 of a x exceeds its 3/5, its 3/5 will be 3 by 5 of x. Now this 2/3 of a rational number exceeds its 3/5. So this number will exceed this one. So if we subtract them, this is more than this number. By how much? By 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4. This is how we have converted the statement into expression. An equation we got. So 2 by 3 of rational number is more than 3/5 of rational number. Then by 1 3 by 4. So 2 by 3 of x is more than 3/5 of x by 1 3 by 4. Now we can take x common. Inside the bracket will be 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. X, take the LCM, it will be 3 into 5, 15. 10 minus 9. So 3 into 5 will be the LCM, 3 into 5 15, 2 into 5 10, 5 3 is a 15, 3 3 is a 9, equal to 7 upon 4. So this will provide us x into 1 upon 15 equal to 7 upon 4. So the equation we got, x into 10 minus 9 upon 15 equal to 7 upon 4. X into 1 upon 15 equal to 7 upon 4. X equal to 7 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 15. X equal to 7 upon 4 into 15. You can avoid this step. X into 1 upon 15 equal to 7 upon 4. So when we are taking this side, it will come in numerator. So x equal to 7 into 15, 105 upon 4. It will be, this is the number. So the number we got 105 upon 4, and when we convert it into improper fraction, 4 2 ja 8, 25, 4 6 is 24, 1 upon 4. So this is the number. Now we will discuss 13th one. Ravi was asked to multiply a rational number by 2 by 3. So Ravi was provided with a rational number and he was asked to multiply it by 2 by 3. So let the rational number be x. So x is that rational number given to the Ravi. We have taken x, and this rational number we have to calculate. So Ravi was asked to multiply rational number by 2 by 3. So he was asked to multiply it by 2 by 3, but by mistake he multiplied the rational number by 2 by 9. So he multiplied x with 2 by 9. Now his answer, whatever answer he got, was this much more than the correct answer. So the correct answer would have been when x is the rational number given. So correct answer would have been, or equal to, we can do, equal to 2 by 3 x. This would have been correct answer, but by mistake, so by mistake we can write in bracket, we can put his answer, the answer which he got was 2 by 9 of x. This was his answer and this was the correct answer. Now his answer was minus 3 by 5 more than the correct answer. So we can write the equation 2 by 9 of x, that is his answer, and correct answer was 2 by 3 of x. This answer is more than this number by how much? Equal to minus 3 1 upon 5. Now we have to solve. Now x we can take common, x 2 by 9 minus 2 by 3 equal to, and 5 3 is a 15 minus 16 upon 5. X, take the LCM, 9 is the LCM, here it remains 2, here 3 3 is a 9 minus 6 equal to minus 16 upon 5. Now 2 minus 6 minus 4, x into minus 4 upon 9 equal to minus 16 upon 5. Either we can cancel the sign here, or we can write it here equal to minus 16 upon 5 divided by minus 4 upon 9. So x into minus 4 upon 9 equal to minus 16 upon 5. So from LHS we can take this to the RHS. X equal to minus 16 upon 5 divided by minus 4 upon 9. X equal to minus 16 upon 5 into minus 9 upon 4. It doesn't matter we put minus here or here or here. So we can either avoid this step as well. Simply into 9 upon minus 4, or this one. So now minus minus we can cancel, it becomes plus. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So x comes out to be 4 9s are 36 upon 5. So this is the number, 36 upon 5. Or if you want to convert into improper fraction, we can 5 7s are 35, 1 upon 5. So this is the number. This was the rational number given to Ravi to multiply by 2 by 3x, but by mistake he multiplied with 2 by 9. Now his answer is more than the correct answer by how much? This much. So his answer minus the correct answer equal to minus 3 1 upon 5. Now we solve for x and we get that rational number. We get that rational number, that is x equal to 36 upon 5 equal to 7 1 upon 5. Now we'll be discussing 14th. So in 14th, from a 62 1 by 2 meter long rope, a piece of length 15 1 by 5 meter is cut off. So for example, this is the total length, that is 62 1 by 2 meters, and from this 15 1 by 5 meter is cut. So if this is the rope, 15 1 by 5 meter is cut, this will be the remaining rope, that is 62 1 by 2 meters minus 15 1 by 5 meters. We will get the remaining rope. Now this remaining rope is divided into 11 equal pieces, 11 equal pieces, and we have to find the length of each equal piece. So in 14th, total length of the rope is given, total, or we can write length of the rope, total length of rope, it is 62 1 by 2 meter, and a piece of length 15 1 by 5 meters is cut off. So a piece is cut off of length 15 1 by 5 meters. Now see here, this is the total length of the rope, this is 62 1 by 2 meter. From this a piece is cut, this much rope is cut, it is 15 1 by 5 meter, and this is our remaining rope, this is our remaining rope, and from this remaining rope 11 pieces are cut, and we have to find length of each piece. So length of the remaining rope we have to calculate first, length of remaining rope, it will be total length minus length of the piece cut. So it will be 62 1 by 2 meters minus 15 1 by 5 meter. So 2 into 62, 144 plus 1, 125 divided by 2 minus 15 5s is 75, 76 upon 5 meters. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 10. 2 5s are 125, 5s are 625, 5 2s are 76, 2s are 152 meters. It comes out to be 473 upon 10 meter. So this is the length of the remaining rope. Now this remaining rope is divided into how many parts? 11 parts. So length of 11 parts will be this much. So length of one part will be one piece equal to remaining rope, length of remaining rope divided by 11. 473 divided by 10 divided by 11. It is in meters. So 473 divided by 10 into 1 upon 11 meters. Now 11, it is divisible by 11. 11 4s are 44, 33, 11 3s are, it is 43 upon 10 meters, or 4 3 upon 10 meters. So length of the remaining rope we have calculated by subtracting the total length. From total length we subtracted 15 1 by 5 meters. We got the remaining rope length. Now from this remaining rope we are cutting it into 11 pieces, 11 equal pieces. So length of 11 pieces will be 473 upon 10 meters. Length of one piece will be 473 upon 10 divided by 11. Length of one piece will be 3 upon 10 meters. Therefore, length of one piece will be 3 upon 10 meters.